In this video, I will show you how to change iPhone color back to normal. So if the color on your iPhone is kind of different or messed up, then there's a couple of things you can check to actually change this back to normal. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is come into your settings, and from here, you want to scroll down to the accessibility option just here. Press onto accessibility, and from here at the top, you're going to want to press onto display. And text size now from here is some options, how you want to make sure which rough, because if some of these have been turned on, it's going to change the color of your iPhone. So for example, things like increase in the contrast, as you can see, that's going to change the color. And if we actually come down, you've got things like this smart invert as well, which you can see is going to change the color too. Want to make sure those two things are off, as well as the classic invert now is also an option down here called color filters. And if we actually click onto this, if this is turned on, as you can see, the colors will change. So you want to make sure this is also turned off now. Once you've done that, you want to come back out of accessibility, so back into your main settings, and from here, you want to click on to display and brightness. You also want to make sure in Spain, brightness at the night shift is turned off. If this is turned on, then what's going to happen is going to change the cutoff. Your iPhone too. So make sure that night shift is turned off now after following all these steps. You should now see your iPhone color should be back to normal. And that is how to change your iPhone color back to normal. So that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you either dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel.